Duplo was created, designed especially for your children. When building with Lego Duplo bricks, children develop fine motor skills. And when playing, they improve their social skills as they build their own world of fun. Lego Duplo. Build a new adventure
vampires
every
out there.
day. Each set sold separately. Find them in the Lego aisle.
When her boyfriend didn't pop the question.
See, dude, everybody does it. Look. Somebody just randomly sent me this.
The answer.
Everybody does it.
Let me see it.
What?
Let me see it again.
Something unavoidable.
You're making the most important decision of your life.
Don't put her name in there.
Is becoming something undeniable.
Can you even see it?
Yeah.
Leap Year, rated PG, in theaters January 8th.
What makes a dollop of Daisy so creamy and delicious? Care and dedication. Our family-owned company has focused on making the best tasting
Thank you,
sour cream for over 40
Jesse.
What?
You were supposed to bring that to me.
Oh,
That's
well.
100% natural.
I'm gonna get a some coffee and I'm gonna dip some candy cane all in it.
So you can feel good knowing
That'd be
every
good.
creamy dollop will bring all your favorite
Probably.
dishes to life.
Walgreens wants to remind you that there's no greater joy than the joy of giving, whether you give a little part of yourself or something else. Like unique stocking stuffers from Walgreens, all at great prices. Hey, they're Tickles. So come in and stuff all your
that's
stockings in no time. With a great selection of fun and useful gifts for everyone on your list, Walgreens makes stuffing those stockings a breeze.